Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yeah, to all of the Bangladesh people. And today I have new friends here, guys. So welcome, my brothers.
My name is Samsona. I'm from Sudan.
Yeah.
My name is Santo. I'm also from Sudan.
Tell your real name. His name is not Samsona.
All right. My real name is Almuiz.
Almuiz Salah.
Almuiz Salah.
Yeah.
My real name is Muhammad Idris.
Muhammad Idris.
Santo.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
His family name.
They're all Sudanese, and I'm the neighboring country of
Sudan.
South Sudan.
Yeah.
That is South Sudan,
South
guys.
Sudan.
Before we were only one country, we just separated due to political whatever. We are not here to speak about that. So today we are going to react to Bangladesh is the worst country in the world. So curious to know that, guys, without wasting time. And if it is your first time here, kindly show some love and join the African family.
All right.
Let's go.
Let me tell you about one of the worst countries in the world. Its capital is one of the least livable cities, incredibly polluted and one of most densely populated. Traffic is insane. Poverty is just everywhere. Some of you have been asking me for a video about Bangladesh, and I can't help but ask, why? Is there even anything good about Bangladesh?
Wow, Nightfam, it's actually quite difficult to say all of these bad words. But sadly, every negative thing I've said is what some people instantly think when they hear the country Bangladesh. They think it's black-minded, third world country with no power. But let this video prove you wrong. This is what the world never knew about Bangladesh.
The reality about
Bangladesh. Yeah.
First up, I bet most of you don't know that YouTube was co-founded by a Bangladeshi German. Yes, the 2 billion people from all over the world who use this platform have to thank Jawed Karim, who even uploaded the very first YouTube video. Still on the internet, would you believe that the largest internet school in the world, which has educated over 10 million students, was also founded by part Bangladeshi Salman Khan, and the longest female-led government in the world also in Bangladesh. In fact, female Bangladeshis are so efficient and hardworking that 80% of the country's workers are actually women. Now, I am personally excited to know that Bangladesh is also a welcoming place for vegetarians like me.
So much fresh fruit around, it looks so good.
No wonder it's also one of the least obese countries in the world. And from keeping healthy to keeping peace, Bangladesh is also a major contributor to the UN peacekeeping operations, having the 3rd largest military in South Asia. Now, Nightfam, here comes the most impressive of all. Bangladesh was once the 2nd poorest country in the world, but now it's one of the fastest growing economies. See, only 3 years after becoming an independent country in 1971, extreme hunger killed 1.5 million Bangladeshis. Add to that the fact that the country has always been hit by massive floods. For a long time, Bangladesh was incredibly poor and politically unstable. It's never easy to rebuild your country when things are so difficult. But because bad past doesn't mean bad future, Bangladesh made an impressive shift. Not only in fighting poverty over the years, but now being a model for development for the rest of the world. Because of its booming garment industry, some people call Bangladesh the next China, economically speaking. After all, it's one of the top exporters of clothing in the whole world. And having all of these positives in mind, the land of Bengal certainly deserves much more respect than the world gives it. As someone who comes from a highly underrated country of Poland, a very globally unpopular country where so many people don't know much about it, I am very passionate about giving credit to countries for their positives. Bangladesh may be a young country, and of course it has so many things to work on. I could literally make a full video based on just the negatives, but why would I do it? There are so many people already who just focus on the negatives. this video is different. The fact that Bangladesh managed to become one of the fastest growing economies, literally from being the second poorest country in the world, may Bangladesh be the voice of all the underrated nations that are on the way to the top.
Now we get to know that, like, for me personally, I have no idea before, like, Bangladesh is the fastest growing economics.
Yes.
You understand? I thought that because I also have seen some videos about Bangladesh. They said they are very poor people.
It was the second poorest country in the
Yeah,
world.
but now they're the fastest rising economy.
Fastest growth.
Growth. Yeah.
And from this video, it was written Bangladesh is the worst country in the world.
world.
So we thought we are going to see the
All the
negative things.
all the negativities.
Yeah, but we came to know the reality and the truth about Bangladesh. And this is something unique. Before, Bangladesh was part of Pakistan.
For sure.
So they separated due to their own, they have their own political stuff.
Yeah.
So when they separated, Pakistan was way better than them, like economic, military. But now Bangladesh is far even stronger than Pakistan. Yeah, economic and fastest growth.
Wow.
Because it's having a lot of relation with Japan, India, and China also. India is the one helping them to separate from Pakistan.
All right.
Yeah.
They're calling next China.
Yeah, they are because of the development now. It improves so fast.
They are going very fast.
And Bangladesh is one of the South Asia country which has a lot of import and export. Yeah, like a lot of that. So if your country is importing and exporting, so high chance you will develop, right?
The economy will be developed.
Yeah, economy will be developed easily.
Yeah.
And they said it is which country in Asia, like which country? This guy mentioned something like
South Asia.
in South Asia.
Yeah, the most like
What?
the high economic in
The second,
the highest economic in South Asia.
one of the highest economic growth in South Asia.
South Asia.
Yeah. This is really true. Like, and we also reacted before to their capital city is called Dhaka. Dhaka is so amazing. Like that country is even far better. I don't know how to compare it, but it's just like Mumbai, and like
overcrowded people.
No. What is different from them is not crowded.
Oh,
it's not crowded. The capital city is called Dhaka.
The city.
Yeah, and the people there, they speak Bengali. People is Bengali. Also in India, in some places,
part of the north side, they speak Bengali, right?
They speak Bengali.
Bengali.
But most of them, they are Muslim. 90% are Muslims.
Okay.
And they say they are Sunni Muslim. I don't know which Sunni. They say
Sunni.
Yes.
Sunni, yeah.
They call those Muslims, they are Sunni. What is it? Sunni is like?
Sunni.
I don't know it. I don't know.
I have heard about it before. Although I'm Muslim, but sorry guys, I don't know the.
So currently, Bangladesh is like I think it's like 40 in global rank of military, and it's fastest growth country in economic. Yeah. So that is it, guys. This is all the love from Africa, guys. So tell us more. It is their first time actually reacting with me about Bangladesh. So previous we used to react with one of our brother called Mohib, but he's busy somewhere. So I invited them to be part of the video. So also they are learning to get to know about Bangladesh. So expect to see them maybe in any other video, and make sure to like in case you want to watch our vlogs. Also in India, check Gabs Gabi TV. And they say in Bangladesh, Joy Bengal. Like in India, they say Jaya Hind.
Oh.
So in Bangladesh, they say Joy Bangladesh and Joy Africa. Okay, love you all.